Hello friends, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to install keil software. So first of all, go to the Google home page and type keil software. Open up the first link, that is keil.com. Now, after the web page has been loaded, go to product downloads, and from here you should download this, the file which has been highlighted, mdk arm. Along with that, you should download C51 as well. I'll tell the importance of this C51 later. So I have downloaded it. So you can see this. I have downloaded two files, that is mdk525.exe, which is our main file, and this is the extension file. So you need to install this. Installation is pretty much simple. Double click on this. It's taking a little bit of extra time. Be patient, guys. Okay, it has started installation. So you should click next, and you should check this radio button and go for next, next. Okay, here you should enter your username. At this point of time, these fields will be blank for you guys. So you should fill your username, the last name, and the email address. Then you should press next. So now your system is installing the relevant files. So this will take around 5 to 10 minutes. I'll pause the video and resume once the installation is done. So as you can see, installation has been successfully completed. Next, click on finish. Okay. Okay, it is telling that offline, please check the internet connection. No issues with that. So click on OK. Now our next step is to install this mdk79254.exe file. It is this file which we are going to install the second time, or in the second step we are going to install this C51 file. So the reason to install that file is, so in this software some boards are not available, like the legacy boards are not available, like 8051 boards are not available. So you to use that, we need to install this. So it is just simple. Click on this. So it will ask you for some permissions, like, okay, it is asking, press on next tab, agree, next, next, and the same thing, your name, last name, and company name and email address, next. This might take 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, depends upon your processor speed. Okay, the installation has been completed successfully. Now click on finish. We are ready to use our keil software. So double click on this, the icon which is present on the desktop. At first it might take a bit extra amount of time. We cannot wait. Okay, fine, no issues with that. So maximize this. Okay, so you need to create the new project. Go for new microvision. Project name, give the project name. I'll give, this is my first project, I'll give as first one, first. Okay, fine. So now it is asking me for what type of board I need to select, what type of board I need for my design. So you can see this, there is a software pack. Click on this. So yeah, there you can see legacy device database, no RT. This file only comes when you install the second C51 file. When we install this legacy boards will be available for us. 8051 boards will be available for us. So if you like, in the academic purposes, we use We use a board called LPC2148 LPC2148 that is available in NXP. You should select this and click on OK. So here you can write codes for your LPC2148 board. Stay tuned for it and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.